Alicia and her daughter are a remarkable family. They really show such love, respect, dedication, and communication with one another. Marcela does everything possible to make sure her mother is happy, healthy, and can remain in her own home. That's why she's brought Philips Cares here to equip the family with the best tools in the Caregiver's Toolbox.
My name is Alicia Cordero. I am 84 years old. I had a bad fall and no one was here to help. I was scared. My family helps, but I don't want to bother them. I love to take long walks. I am very active. I love to read and I love my garden. I would like to stay in my home. I like lifelines because I can do things alone. I don't worry. I have 3 kids, my son, 2 daughters, and 4 grandkids. And Marcela is always here to help me.
I take care of my mother because she's very important to me and she's everything for me. I was away when she fell and I was not able to get there. I remember rushing there and saying, "Mom, are you okay?" And she says, "You were a little bit too late." That's what she told me. I was like, "Oh my God, but I tried." And she said, "Well, next time I might not be here." And that was scary for me to know that she was maybe not gonna be there. I think I was more scared than she was because I wasn't there for her.
If there's an emergency or a health scare, it's so critical to get help right away. With Philips Lifeline, that can happen with the push of a button. We found that even with the Lifeline service, that it can prevent a hospital transport or a hospital stay.
It's hard to be a caregiver. A lot of times I feel like I'm gonna cry. It's my work schedule. I'm always busy. So if something was to happen to her, I want to make sure someone is there to either assist me or whether to alert me of what's going on, because in that way I'm able to act faster than I've done before and maybe get someone to be there if I'm not there at that moment. I need to have something to make sure that she's able to signal to me that I know that she's going to be okay when she falls, because at her age it's not good when someone falls and she's by herself.
We know how stressful it is as a loved one gets older. This family knows quick access to reliable help can save lives.
I heard about Philips Lifeline through a friend of mine. Her parents love it. My primary concern is her safety. I love the fact that she could wear this with her everywhere. And it's a peaceful way of not intruding in her daily routine, but knowing that even if something bad happens, a fall or something, she could press the button and someone will answer. It's also wonderful because it has an automatic fall detection, which means if she falls, right away they'll know. Plus it'll probably entertain her to know that she has something that's going to be important, that she feels like she's a VIP now.
Philips Cares brings together the caregivers to form a circle of care for their loved one. It enables them to share information about their loved ones, such as notes from a physician's office, interactions with the Lifeline service. It provides content on how to best manage their loved one's care. We also actively involved that loved one in their care. This can empower them to live a healthier life.
Philips Cares is a wonderful application. The family feels connected even when they're not close, and it's important for us to be there for her.
I feel happy because I am safe.
For 45 years, Philips Lifeline has helped seniors to remain in the homes they love and keep their independence while giving their family members peace of mind.
I need this. Thank you, Marcela.
We made a great decision because now we know Mom will be okay.